guys, so today we are back with another video, and today we will be doing a hair tutorial. So we just took their braids out. I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo their hair and style it. Let's get into this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and also hit the notification bell so that you can be one of the first to be notified when our video is out. All right, let's go. So first I'm gonna be shampooing Skye's hair twice with the Influance Honey Almond shampoo. So now, while the shampoo is still on, I'm going to go ahead and detangle it with a wide tooth comb, and then I'm going to follow it up with a paddle brush. This is just to really be sure that all of the tangles are out, being that she did just take her braids out. Now once we've rinsed the shampoo out, I'm going to go ahead and condition her hair with the Honey Almond conditioner. And I'm going to detangle it again with the dimming brush. Now once we rinse the conditioner out, we're going to go ahead and towel dry her hair and apply the Honey Almond leave-in conditioner. And this is a great heat protectant. And I'm going to go ahead and blow dry her hair. The blow dryer I'm using is the Silver Bird, and I like to blow dry Skye's hair. It just makes it more manageable for me during the week. And you can still achieve this look without blow drying, so you can skip this step if you prefer to put no heat on your child's hair. And now I'm going to apply the Rosemary Mint Scalp Therapy to her scalp. So now I'm going to begin to part it down the middle to achieve our look. So now what I'm using is called Laid by Naked, and it's like a sleek, like an edge control. And I'm going to apply that around the first section where we're going to put the ponytail. And you want to make sure you use a good amount, and you also want to brush it in completely. If you do not, it will leave like a residue. So for this look, I wanted to add a little baby hair. So I'm just going to leave a little bit of her edges out. Apply the laid behind the baby hairline part. And I'm going to brush all of that in, and then I'm going to go back and take a toothbrush and swoop the baby hairs into the ponytail. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just repeat the same process on the other side.
Okay, even guys, if you want to do this kind of hairstyle, you have to do everything that we did. Right, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
I would rather have this hairstyle. And then
don't move.
Trying, but I can't hold my firmness here.
Now once you have your two ponytails, we're gonna go ahead and make 2 twists inside each ponytail, and then you're gonna wrap those around to create a bun. And what I'm showing you guys here is just a quick, easy quarantine hairstyle. If you don't feel like doing your daughter's hair and you're just trying to get up, hurry up, get out the door, this is a quick 10-minute hairstyle, maybe less, that you can just and all I did was I just wrapped the twist around and I just put a rubber band on it just to secure it.
Close-up time!
Okay, bend your head down a little bit. So thanks for watching and stay tuned because the next video is going to be on how we achieve Shy's look.